Manufacturing Indaba in Sandton in Johannesburg. Earlier, the Director General of the Department of Trade and Industry, Lionel October, delivered the keynote address. We now cross live to our economics reporter, Arabile Gumede, for the latest. Arabile, how is the Indaba panning out? What are some of the key issues being discussed today?
Yeah, well, day two, Desiree, isn't it? It's an Indaba itself that has been key to the manufacturing industry and understanding trade and industry. As you said, Lionel October, the Director General of the DTI, delivering the keynote address this morning, really detailing how South Africa needs to look into the future, look into how it can address manufacturing issues across not just its own spectrum, but of course, delving into the African continent as well. Intra-African trade became quite a key topic in itself as well. And I just wanted to take you around the Expo Center as well. We are taking a look at some of the presentations. As you can see, robotics, many have said that these are the likes of things that will probably take over in some time, and you'll never know. Just your job may be taken away by some of these as well. But to get a hint of just what is going on here exactly, I just thought we could chat to Gideon. Gideon, thank you so much. S4 integration, what exactly is this about?
Well, at S4 Integration, we are a turnkey system integrator. And what we're promoting over here is this new collaborative robots. Now, what we're talking about collaborative robots is a robot which can work right next to an operator. I heard you mention something about taking away your job. That's not the objective. What we're talking about collaborative robots is to assist in the production and to help where there's quality concerns, maybe where a human can't do the accuracy what a robot can do.
Yeah.
And we'll rather assist them over there than trying to take away the position, you know.
Fantastic. Gideon, thank you so much. Best of luck for you for the week as well. A good 2 days I hope you've had as well. Thank you so much. As we said, robotics, who knows? He says it may not take away your job, but at this point, who knows really? I think a lot has been going on with regards to integration, making people perhaps understand exactly just how the manufacturing of robotics itself